Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to work on adding in any order. Please go into your math workbook and open up to page 131. 131. You'll also need a blue and a red crayon. Press pause, find the page, get your materials, then push play. Okay, let's look at our first problem. It says, George sees 7 bluebirds and 8 redbirds. How many birds does he see? All right, I know he sees 7 bluebirds. So it says to color to model the problem. So I'm going to color 7 of my cubes blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to color these 7 blue. And I want you to color your first 7 blue too. Now if you need more time to color them blue, you know what? I'm going to do my blue just a little bit different. I'm going to grab a crayon and do it that way. All right. That way I can still see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That way I can still see. So if you need some more time to color your squares blue, go ahead and push pause and then push play when you're ready. Okay, so I know I have 7 bluebirds and I have 8 redbirds. So I'm going to color 8 squares red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so those 8 are red. Again, if you need more time to color your squares red, press pause, then press play when you're ready. Okay, so we colored to model the problem. Now we're going to write an addition sentence. So we started with 7 blue, and we added 8 red. And how many do we have all together? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, we have 15 birds all together. All right, let's try another one. Okay, I'm going to get my crayons again. George sees 8 redbirds and 7 bluebirds. How many birds does he see? Color to model this problem. Write the addition sentence. All right, so I know he sees 8 red birds. So I'm going to color 8 squares red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I'm going to color that red. Remember, if you need more time to color, just press pause and then press play when you're ready. All right, so now we need to color 7 bluebirds. So I'm going to color 7 squares blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I'm going to color those blue. If you need time to color, you know what to do. All right, boys and girls, let's write the addition sentence. So we started with 8 redbirds. Whoops. So we started with 8 redbirds, and we added 7 bluebirds. minute. That looks really familiar. Look at that. Look here, I have this 7 here, and all I did was switch the order of the additives. I have 7 plus 8, and then I have 8 plus 7. So all I did was switch the order of the additives. I still have 7 bluebirds in each of my problems and 8 redbirds in each of my problems. So if 7 plus 8 equals 15, and all I did was switch the order of my additives, then what would 8 plus 7 equal? Did you say 15? That's right. It equals 15. So boys and girls, even if we switch the order of the additives, the answer or the sum stays the same. All right, let's do a few more to practice together. Go to the next page. So you're on page 132. It says, if you use the same additives, what other facts can you write? So I have 5 plus 6. Well, I'm going to draw a picture to go with that. I'm going to draw 5 circles up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to draw 6 circles below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so if I have 5 plus 6, let's count to see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, I have 11. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. Let's look at this problem next to it. How many birds do I have on the top? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I have 6. And how many birds do I, pink birds do I have underneath? Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 on the bottom. Oh, this looks really familiar. Oh, that's because I already added 5 plus 6. And all I did was change the order of the additives. See my 6 here? I just moved it to the other position. And my 5, I just moved that to the other spot. So if 5 plus 6 equals 11, then 6 plus 5 must equal, that's right, it equals 11. Excellent. All right, let's look at a couple more just to practice. Okay, so we're going to add, change the order of the additives, and add again. Okay, so I have 8 plus 9. I'm going to draw some X's down below just to help me stay organized. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, how many do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have 17. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. Okay, now I'm going to change the order of the additives and then add again. So I'm going to take my number 9 and I'm going to put it up here at the top. And I'm going to take my number 8 and put it under my number 9. Now, do I have to draw a picture for this again? Do I need to count those X's again? No. I know that 8 plus 9 equals 17. So if all I do is switch the order of the addends, I know that 9 plus 8 equals 17. Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's try another one. Look at the problem I have next. It's number 5 on your paper. Can you find number 5 on your paper? Great. All right, let's draw the problem. So I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2 more. All right, so how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 equals 11. All right, let's switch the order of the addends. So I'm going to put my 2 up at the top, and I'm going to put my 9 underneath. Now I know 9 plus 2 equals 11. If all I do is change the order of the addends, my sum or answer stays the same. So 2 plus 9 equals, that's right, it equals 11. All right, let's do one more before I have you work on the rest, all on your own. Let's look at this very last one that I have up here. It's number 6 on your paper. So find number 6. We have 8 plus 4 equals something. Let's draw to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see what 8 plus 4 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, 8 plus 4 is 12. Now I'm going to change the order of the addends. So my 4 will go up top, and my 8 will go underneath. I don't need to count or draw a picture because I already know 8 plus 4 equals 12. So that means if all I did was change the order of my addends, 4 plus 8 equals 12. All right, excellent job today, boys and girls. I want you to finish the rest of page 132, then turn it over and do the top of page 133. I'll have you come to the rug with me to work on numbers 13 and 14 together. Do a great job and your best work.